Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we will explore Trump Media and Technology Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 14th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since April 10th, 2025, our system has ranked Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -3.24. Now, let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has performed better than our system predicted, with a gain of 0.75%. This translates to an average return of 0.25% per day since it was listed as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The ongoing 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of nearly 50% over the next 3 months, with a possible range of return between -60% and -42%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -28%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -86% to +54% over the next year. This implies that the future price could fall between $2.65 and $29.15. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price up 0.0212% on Monday. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price gained 0.0212% on the last trading day, Monday, the 14th of April, 2025, rising from $18.89 to $18.93. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 5.29%, with a day low at $18.44 and a day high of $19.41. The price has been experiencing volatility during this period, and there has been a 3.12% loss over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased on the last day by 805,000 shares, with a total of 3 million shares bought and sold for approximately $63,080,000. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $56.55, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 66.53%, or $37.62, below the 52-week high, and 76.15%, or $60.45, below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. In recent developments, Trump Media and Technology Group, trading under the ticker DJT, has made headlines with significant movements impacting investor sentiment. Hedge fund Cube Research and Technologies has unveiled a short position against DJT worth $105 million, indicating skepticism about the company's performance. This move typically suggests that investors anticipate a decline in stock value, which could put downward pressure on DJT in the short term. Conversely, President Trump has recently lowered interest rates, positively affecting real estate and REIT investors, indicating potential long-term benefits for companies involved in those sectors. This backdrop may indirectly support DJT by creating a more favorable economic environment for businesses. Additionally, Trump Media's registration statement on Form S-3 has become effective, allowing for future capital raises that could bolster the company's financial standing. The recent expansion of their services into Canada and Mexico could also generate new revenue streams, enhancing growth potential. Furthermore, Trump's endorsement of buying the dip has previously led to short-term stock rallies, exemplified by an 8% increase following his comments. If investors respond to his call, DJT might see a temporary boost. Overall, while short-term pressures from the significant short position and market skepticism may weigh on DJT, potential long-term growth from operational expansion and favorable economic policies could provide a path for recovery if effectively leveraged. Analysts have assigned Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general strong sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio has also been rated as strong sell, alongside the price-to-book ratio, which is similarly categorized as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have assigned the stock another strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the stock, leading to a more negative forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $20.55. In the event of a decline, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $18.28. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will add another sell signal and reinforce the overall negative signal. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and thus far, it has risen by 13.63%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 36 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 60 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 56 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 45 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 40 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation identifies support from accumulated volume at $18.79. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility. Given the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated 98 cents between its high and low, representing an increase of 5.29%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 11.67%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and possible risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $20.27. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $18.79. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On March 11, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On March 12, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On March 10, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On March 10, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted another insider sale of 8,954 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On March 10, 2025, Philip Juhan also conducted an insider sale of 300 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the 55 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of approximately 21.654. Overall, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares in the last 55 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation displays several concerning signals, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 15th of April, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open lower by 1/2 of 1 cent and start trading at $18.93. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.